Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can crop a video online using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here I'm just downloading a video that I will be going to crop, right? So I have just searched for travel in the elements and here I am just going to select any video, right? For example, this one. And now I'm just going to download this only current page. Okay, done. Download. Oh, I have mistakenly downloaded the JPG version. Okay, let me again download and change the file type into MP4. Cancel. Download. In spite of JPG, I want MP4 video. Okay, only page 4 and I've clicked on download, right? Okay, our file has been downloaded and I have saved it. Now we are going to homepage of Canva and here we are going to click on create and here we are just going to select the custom size of 1000 by 1000 pixels, right? And we are just going to click on create new design, or you can select Pinterest video ad square. Okay, and here we are just going to upload our video, right? So you can simply click on uploads and here you can upload your video file from your system. I have clicked on open and our video will get uploaded, right? And then you just need to select and drag and drop this video over here, and here you can simply set your video whatever the portion you want. You can simply do it in such manner and then you can simply download. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.